I just attempted TVI. I missed. I'm going to reattempt.
What happened back there? Did I hit a hole or something?
On April 8, 2026, on Highway 160 in Colorado, a 2020 Ford Explorer refused to stop and fled police across multiple miles, generating 3 near head-on collisions with civilian vehicles before a tactical vehicle intervention ended the chase.
Coming back to a 2020 Ford Explorer black in color out of Wisconsin on 1059.
Montrose, 5 out of 11. I'm going to be clear of that stop. There's a car driving on the wrong side of the road on the opposite shoulder now. And people are flagging me down to check on them. I've passed Highway 160 at the 43. It's going to be a gray Jeep Gladiator.
And which direction?
We're heading westbound. He's currently traveling on the eastbound shoulder. Montrose 5 out of 11. He's failing to stop. Almost went head on with the vehicle. Can you see if we have any deputies to head my way?
I copy. Are you on 33?
Yeah, let's go ahead and take the channel for now.
I copy. 1033 traffic. Going to be Highway 160. Headed eastbound. I copy.
There's a vehicle traveling eastbound that went to pull over onto the shoulder, and they almost went head on. I don't know how much longer we want to let this go.
I copy. Break S6 Montrose.
I copy. I was just side by side with him, and he's disregarded me completely. He almost went head on again with the vehicle. My clear TVI.
Montrose Command 50, what's our speed?
5 out of 11. Speeds are at 65, 60 to 65. We're slowing down now. We're approaching construction zone.
Same permit, you can tell me for the construction zone. Great. Montrose Command 50, get that 600 from on the radio.
I copy.
On the route that I'm from Fortis by the port.
I copy. Break 5 out of 11. Are you going to TVI?
I just attempted TVI. I missed. I'm going to reattempt.
Montrose, can you hear me? Let's set up for talk. House break, please.
I copy.
About 11, successful TVI, one at gunpoint.
Hi, copy. TVI, one at gunpoint. Can you confirm location?
Get out of the vehicle! Step out of the vehicle!
He's probably going to be around the 48, 49.
I copy.
Break, Montrose, Command 50th, National Parks is monitoring Mesa Verde. Take it the closest to respond to help them out. If not, have maintenance head.
I copy.
5 out of 4 from the 62.
5 out of 4, I copy from the 62, 1104.
Montrose, 5 out of 7 from the 76.
5 out of 7, I copy, 76, 1105.
Keep turning! Keep turning! Stop!
1105.
Walk backward to the sound of my voice! Stop! Put your hands in the air!
Sources in C215.
MC 215.
And 24 10
1105.
Wash your hands out in front of you.
Cars open for you for
Lay on your
Montrose Walleye 327. Come westbound at the 54 on 160. Triple need assistance.
Affirm, going to be Highway 160, about milepost 48 to the 49, right before construction zone. Have a trooper, TVI the vehicle, one at gunpoint.
With one male.
Keep your legs crossed.
1106.
Do not move. Do you understand?
Quarters away, 1075. Montrose 704. Can you status 11?
5 out of 11, status.
11 custody.
5 out of 11, I copy, one in custody. 1107.
I just attempted TVI. I missed. I'm going to reattempt. Put your hands up! Montrose 5 out of 11. Successful TVI, one at gunpoint. Put your hands up! Show me your hands! Put your hands out of the vehicle! Step out of the vehicle! Step out of the vehicle! Put your hands in the air! Turn around and face away from me. Stop right there. Turn around and face away from me. Face away from me and put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Higher. Turn around. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Stop. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Stop! Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Get down on your knee. Walk your hands out in front of you and lay on your stomach. Put your hands out to your sides. Cross your ankles. Put your heels to your butt with your legs crossed. Do not move. Do you understand?
Yes.
Is there anyone else in the vehicle?
No. My arms are kind of
Don't move. Keep.
What happened back there? Did I hit a hole or something? I wasn't speeding. I thought I was paying attention.
Montrose 5 had more than one in custody. Over your side. Go and sit up.
A tactical vehicle intervention, intentional vehicle contact to terminate a pursuit, is a Fourth Amendment seizure. As a use of force, it must satisfy Graham v. Connor's objective reasonableness standard and Scott v. Harris's pursuit termination constitutional framework. Scott v. Harris, 550 U.S. 372, 2007, is the Supreme Court's definitive ruling on TVI. An 8-1 majority held that force used to terminate a pursuit where the fleeing vehicle endangers the public is constitutionally authorized, even when it places the fleeing driver at risk. Scott rejected the argument that officers must always choose the least dangerous option. Force is calibrated to threat, and the 3 near head-on collisions documented during this pursuit established that threat in real time, on camera, before the TVI. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, governs the TVI as a use of force. All 3 factors were simultaneously satisfied. Reckless highway driving at severity, immediate threat to every motorist on Highway 160, and active sustained flight across multiple miles and multiple agencies. Tennessee v. Garner, 471 U.S. 1, 1985, governs deadly force against fleeing suspects. A TVI is not deadly force. Scott addressed this distinction directly. A properly executed vehicle contact technique at appropriate speed and conditions does not trigger Garner's deadly force standard. Under C.R.S. paragraph 42.4, 16 Zoo 2, failure to stop for an officer becomes a felony when the pursuit involves excessive speed or reckless driving. 3 near head-on collisions satisfy the reckless driving element independently before the TVI even occurred. The approach to an active construction zone at 60 to 65 miles per hour placed every worker in that zone at immediate risk. This element elevates the Scott analysis beyond a standard highway pursuit and directly strengthens the TVI's constitutional justification. The officer's first TVI attempt, documented as a miss, followed immediately by a successful reattempt as evidence of deliberate proportional escalation. Under Graham, this sequence supports the reasonableness of the force, not the excess of it. The on-camera statement, "I don't know how much longer I want to let this go," is documented evidence of the ongoing proportionality assessment Colorado pursuit policy requires. Officers must continuously weigh whether the risk of continuation exceeds the risk of disengagement. The subject's post-arrest question, "What happened? Did I hit a hole or something?" is inadvertently exculpatory. A subject who cannot identify the force used against him cannot easily characterize it as excessive. Officers receive an A-. 3 near head-on collisions documented in real time, on-camera proportionality evaluation, and the miss then retempt TVI sequence SCR documented strengths. First attempt miss and post TVI command inconsistent prevent a higher grade. The subject receives a D sustained failure to stop. 3 near head-on collisions approaching an active construction zone air indefensible. No confirmed injuries, and post-arrest compliance error mitigating factors. 3 takeaways. First, Scott v. Harris authorizes TVI when the pursuit endangers the public, even when the technique places the fleeing driver at risk. 3 documented near head-on collisions, plus a construction zone approach SCOTUS, Scott's public safety predicate completely. Second, documented proportionality evaluation during a pursuit is a legal asset. An officer who questions continuation on camera makes a reasoned decision, and then deploys TVI carries a fundamentally stronger post-incident legal position than one who pursues without any documented assessment. Third, the miss then retempt sequence is not a tactical failure. It is documented evidence of deliberate force calibration. Under Graham, measured escalation from a first attempt to a corrected second demonstrates reasonableness, not excess. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal top issue would like us to discuss in the comments. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.